a good look at some of the food they're having for dinner on the last night. Although this may be left over from lunch. Almost all the food, they serve you. It's not self-serve anymore. Bacon wrapped pork loin. These were here at lunch. So was this stuff. I'm gonna quickly run to another area. Here's the desserts. Over in this corner is always cookies. Always cookies. I think always the same cookies. More pie. Pie. Of course, that's the buffet. I don't want to edit this video, so I'm going to move fast between the areas. So this is the Horizon Bistro that we're leaving, and we're coming into the World Fresh Marketplace. But it's still just the ship's buffet. And it's still closed. But anyway, here's some fish, macaroni and cheese, french fries, vegetables. They got a turkey there they're gonna carve, shrimp cocktails, veggies. Little sandwiches, mini cheese quesadillas. That's a shaved lamb. Not sure I like that. Same thing over here. Fruit. They have that at breakfast too. Guess that's ribs, corn, taquitos. Oh, spring rolls. And so that's dinner on the last night. May not be really what you wanted to eat. I always eat in the dining room, but there it is. They could put more food out later, but usually these aisles are identical. So, dinner in the buffet on the last night of the cruise.